Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome is expected to feature performance similar to a hypercar and an ultra-luxurious mobile lifestyle. Several speculative designs and collaborations suggest a Bugatti-branded recreational vehicle, despite Bugatti's lack of statements. The exterior and design, the Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome, is expected to be an aerodynamic and athletic vehicle. Two features that define Bugatti's design are flowing lines and a horseshoe-shaped grille. Thanks to the use of innovative materials like carbon fiber, the construction is both strong and lightweight. Less drag results from aerodynamic efficiency, which enhances performance and fuel economy. Infrastructure and the interior. The lavish interior could offer the following. Luxurious living areas are adorned with polished wood, custom linens, and stylish leather furnishings. High-end equipment and plenty of storage space are characteristics of this modern kitchen. An opulent bedroom that functions as a peaceful haven. Creative approaches to entertainment, temperature control, and smart home technology integration. Capabilities and effectiveness, respectively. Bugatti's performance history suggests that the RV might have a powerful hybrid drivetrain that can generate large amounts of torque and horsepower. A comfortable ride on a range of terrains is ensured by innovative suspension technology. Two advantages of all-wheel drive are increased traction and stability. The vehicle's off-road prowess includes features like sophisticated traction control and high ground clearance. The price and accessibility. The pricing and availability of this concept remain unclear due to its speculative nature. However, the cost of such a recreational vehicle would likely be several $1,000,000 due to Bugatti's well-known name. Despite being merely a concept, the 2026 Bugatti Truck VIP Motorhome offers the utmost in performance and style for people who want to live on the go. The market for leisure vehicles would undergo a revolution because to Bugatti's exceptional engineering, unparalleled comfort, and unparalleled design.